putting together a gaming PC with a $1,000 budget, do I pick AM4 or AM5? Now this is a really good question. Now it kind of comes down to your priorities and your monitor. Now if you decide you want to buy AM5, you will be paying more for RAM, CPU and the motherboard than you would if you pick AM4. Now this means that if you pick AM5, you will probably most likely only afford a 1080p GPU, like an RX 6700 XT or an RTX 3060 Ti. Now, if you on the other hand pick AM4, you will be spending less on the CPU, RAM and motherboard, and you will have enough cash for something like an RX 7800 XT, which is a true 4040p GPU. Now the downside is that AM4 has limited upgrade options, while AM5 will support at least another CPU generation.